how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate, so you can get all the donations you want. As you see, I have made over 60,000 Robux, and adding Game Passes are completely free. So I've made 60,000 Robux from this. Make sure you watch this whole video until the end without skipping, because if you do miss a step, then it might not work for you. I am currently on my new account, and as you see right here, I have done this method, and look, these are the Game Passes right here. So let's just get into the video. Also, very quickly, I have a lot of Robux in my group, and I can literally give you some if I enter in your username right here, and I don't want it. So if you want some, go ahead and do what this shirt says right here, and obviously comment down below your Roblox username. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so firstly, what you want to do is go ahead onto your home page. Now this is what my home page currently looks like right here, and what you want to do first is simply go ahead right here and then press on the create button right here. And once you have done that, what you want to do is go ahead right here and just press onto the creations part right here. And then obviously once you do press onto creations, it will actually come up into your like little games right here. I mean, yeah, I was just testing out to see how far could I go with these thumbnails, because people get banned. It was for a video earlier on. But yeah, simply what you want to do is just press on any game. Now every single person should have like a default place. As you see right here, this is like your name, and then it will say the place. I'm pretty sure everybody will have their own place, if that makes sense. So obviously let's just go ahead and go into this game right here. It is called Untitled Game, which, I mean, I don't know why, but it is. And then from here, it might look a bit confusing with like all of these like little pop-ups. I know they have changed the page quite a lot, like very dramatically the past like year. Like it was something else, but it's something new now. But yeah, obviously right here, on this little bit right here where it says monetization, you should see right here, passes. And yeah, it should open up this little page right here. So from here, what you want to do is do not worry about the analytics part. All you have to worry about is the creations part. And yeah, you haven't created any passes. Creating passes can increase player blah blah blah. Obviously this is for your game, but obviously we're making the Game Pass for Please Donate. So obviously from here, go ahead and then press create pass. Now keep watching because you might miss something right now. Do not click off this video because you might make this mistake later on. So obviously from here, you can put your name on. So whatever name you want to your Game Pass to say, when somebody does actually hover over it, like for example right here, as you see right here, it will say like the little name where it says admin right here. So obviously let's just go ahead and put please donate to me Game Pass, for example. I do not know. And then description, you can put whatever you want. So let's just put this. I am LeBron James right there. And then from here, of course right here, the image. Now obviously right here, this is obviously what the image looks like. So obviously these are really good. I just picked out some random image. One thing you can do when you want to get an image, literally just go onto Google Images and then obviously find an image from there. And then obviously just go ahead, right click onto the image and then press save image as. And of course you can go ahead and save the image. And then from here, what you want to do, next to this little weird icon, it should say change. So go ahead and then press onto change right here. And then of course go ahead and select the image, and this is what the players would see when they like hover over the image. And then from here, what you want to do is keep watching right now because people make this mistake. So once you have done it, you are not done yet. You need to do this one key thing right here. So what you want to do is go ahead right here and then just press on, literally just press onto the image right here. And then from here, what you want to do is literally right here, sales. Now from here, what you want to do is to press this little thing right here so it's blue. And then of course, what you want to do is go ahead and then set the price. So let's just say I want this to be, let's just go ahead and then do, I don't know, 50. Let's go ahead and do 50. And then from here, last but not least, what you want to do is go ahead from here and you want to put your game to public. If it's private, Please Donate cannot see your Game Pass. So make sure you put the game to public. And then once you have reloaded into the game, literally from here, you will now have a 50 Robux Game Pass. Obviously, it'll be different for you. But yeah, that is how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate.